Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm unboxing the LD smartwatch Bauhn and it's for $70. Let's see what's inside the box. How does it looks like? So let's see what's inside the box. So this is the watch. So this is all inside the box. As you can see, this is the watch and this is the charging station, and this is some user guide with some instruction and tips, and plus this is the LD certificate of warranty. Looks reasonably well within the price range of $70. Let's remove the tag. So this is the USB charging for this watch. So it's pretty cool. Looks like something like Samsung Galaxy watch, bit of replica. So let me do setup with my Samsung Note 9. So let me turn on the Bluetooth, and here in this watch, so this is showing me the watch here. So let me select that. So it's pairing, yes. So now this is paired already, as you can see. So this is paired. So these are the options, and if I scroll, so it is touch screen and quite a good thing. Activities like badminton, football, basketball, yoga, spinning, treadmill, climbing, cycling, walking, running. So it's pretty cool, and these are the monitor, and you can see the pulse rate and all that, see, so which is quite normal. So looks cool. So now you can see the heartbeat, it is showing that, so which is quite good. So see here, you can see the steps, all your data about your running or any jogging activity. So, and see the sleep time, you can calculate your sleep, and this is the heart monitoring. and on this dashboard, like on the home screen, you can see the pulse, your steps and other things. So it is pretty cool with the price range of $70. So to connect with the app, so it is good thing that on the watch itself you can see the barcode, and just scan that QR code. So it will take you to the Play Store and you can find this app. So now the app is on, so you have to just put up your personal details with your weight and age. So this is all done and the device will be now taking care of all your activities. So let's do the incoming call test. See this one? Looks is very nice as far as the price is concerned. On my right is the Samsung Gear 3 and on the left is this LD watch, which is quite good. So just like the normal smart watches, so you can customize the dial of this watch as per your liking. See, there are so many faces which you can choose. So beautiful watch faces you can choose. Let's choose one face. See, this is all I have selected here, the space one, which is pretty cool feature. Hey guys, hope you enjoy this video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.